All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Unreal Engine project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, I did tell you that we were going to do some coding today. I'm going to do that later on. I didn't really feel like doing that right now. I just wanted to finish up exactly what I was working on in this project. So you can see we're starting with the wireframe. Nothing more because I like the way this looks. Pretty cool. Let me show you the top view really quickly so you can see how it looks from above. See what we have so far. Now you can see it does look a little bit different. We do have a little more features added. So you can see here. That's from the top. Let's go back to the perspective, and it is still on the wireframe. So let's change it back to the regular view so we can see exactly what we have here in this environment. Change that back to lit from the wireframe. And you can see here we have our arena set up and our playland. Let's dive into it and get a little closer look. Let's go inside here. Now, probably am going to end up extending or expanding this arena because it is kind of a short now that I added the walls to it. So we're going to probably make the playground a little bit bigger, and then we're gonna add more details to it so we can add that maze or try to add the maze function like I told you I wanted to try to add. That I can get this mouse moving, we can get ahead and have a look inside of our environment so you can see we have our wall situated like I wanted. I want to give you a look at it from the front view so we can go in there and see what it'll look like for the warriors coming in. So we go inside here. Let's do a quick turn. Keep turning. Keep turning. I think we turned too much. Okay, there we go. So this is the entrance here. Let me back up some so you can see how it would look standing from the arena point of view. So yeah, so we have our walls completely enclosed. Why isn't this mouse working and going back like it should be? Let me get this off of here first and foremost. Get that yellow line off of it. Maybe we can start moving back more. Yeah, now we can move more. You can see. So here's one side of our wall here. Our peripheral is messed up, so we can't see the other wall. Let me see if I can turn a little bit and get a look at the second wall. And that is going to be right. It always acts funky when I'm using the recorder and I'm inside the Unreal Engine. So let's see if it holds. It's still holding. So let's see if I can actually get it to turn. We can see exactly what we want to see here. And there we go, finally. So you can see our other wall over here. So we do have both sides of our walls, and we have our back wall like I showed you yesterday. Here's our arena, here's our pillars, here's our fire, and here's our portal. That's what I'm gonna leave it at for right now. I don't want to do too much detail in building the arena without knowing that we can add our agents and have them train and learn in this environment. So we're gonna leave it like this. I have my walls up, we have our portal, we have our arena, we have everything else we want. So we're gonna leave it like this for now and just focus on adding our learning agents. Like I said, I still have a lot of coding to do today, so I'll do some coding. If I have time, I'll upload the video. If not, I'll just upload it for you tomorrow. But that's where we're at with it. So our arena is completely done for now, and we're going to focus on doing our coding for our agents so we can add our agents to our environment and they can start to interact with their surroundings. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.